YouTube channel Ready to Learn Pro.
In this video, we are going to take input from user. So guys, if you are new in this channel, please visit our Core Java playlist. In our Core Java playlist, there is a lecture of scanner class. Please first visit this lecture. Now first we are going to import scanner class. For that we are going to write import java.util.scanner. Now we are going to create a scanner to obtain user input from the keyboard. For that we are going to write scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in, then write semicolon. Now we are going to write system.out.println. Inside that we are going to write please enter the size of array. Then we are going to declaring a variable to store an integer. For that we are going to write int and equals to sc dot next int semicolon. Now we are going to initialize the array. For that we are going to write int array awr equals to new int. In array we are going to write n, then semicolon. Then we are going to write for loop int I equals to 0 semicolon I less than n semicolon, then I plus plus. Then we are going to write curly braces. Inside curly braces we are going to write system.out.println, then awr, then concatenation I, then again concatenation square bracket, then colon, then we are going to write array I equals to sc dot next int, then semicolon. Outside for loop we are going to write system.out.println the array elements are then after that we are going to write for loop again int I equals to 0 semicolon I semicolon, then I less than array dot length semicolon, then I plus plus. Then we are going to write system.out.println. Inside that we are going to write array square bracket, then concatenation, then I, then again concatenation, then double quotes. In that we are going to write square bracket, then colon, then concatenation awr and I. This for loop will take user input and this for loop will print the user input which we are going to given. Now we are going to run this program. Just wait for some time. Now our program runs successfully. Please enter the size of array. We want 3. First is 4, then 5, then 6. The array elements, what we are going to put 4, 5 and 6. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.